Hello there. My name is Christian Burris, and if you own your own business or considering starting your own business, I have some very important things to share with you today. Throughout my life, I dreamed about having my own business. The thought of controlling my destiny trumped any fear of failure. I had a secure job. I was working for Intel Corporation at the time, but going into a corporate job where I had no control over my future left me feeling frustrated and unfulfilled. I just knew that there was no way I could spend the next 30 plus years of my working life in a corporate environment. In 2003, I took the plunge and started my first business. I had no idea what I was getting myself into. I had seen others start and grow successful businesses, but I didn't know all the hard work and sacrifice it would take to create a thriving, successful business. I just knew that I was going to do whatever it took to be a successful small business owner. At first, everything seemed clear. All I knew was that I just needed to get clients, so that's what I focused on, getting clients. Pretty soon I had enough clients, and my focus shifted from getting new clients to keeping my current clients happy. However, as with any business, you lose clients along the way. I was constantly jumping back and forth between maintaining my current clients and trying to get new ones, and at the same time dealing with all the challenges of being a small business owner. I started to feel really confused and overwhelmed. I was being totally reactionary to everything. I was no longer in control of my business's growth. I was reactionary to the daily dictates of my business. Honestly, I felt lost. If I did get new clients, it was purely by accident. I did not have a solid marketing plan or process for growing my business because I had no framework. It wasn't until I learned about lifecycle marketing that things became very clear. There really is a framework that you can apply to any business that will help you create a thriving, successful business. I like the word life and lifecycle marketing because lifecycle marketing really does help you to bring life back into your business. Now I have a wonderful framework I use every day to attract new prospects, convert those prospects to paying customers, and wow those customers so that I can continue to get repeat business and referrals. I wish someone would have shared lifecycle marketing with me years ago. It would have made the journey so much easier. Implementing lifecycle marketing has been the single biggest factor I've done in creating 4 thriving businesses. I want to share lifecycle marketing with you in this 3-part video series. This series will not only include amazing videos, but also worksheets that will help you to clarify your path to having a successful, thriving business. So please do yourself a huge favor and learn about lifecycle marketing today.